Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, stop microphone from auto-adjusting in Windows. First method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, microphone volume to maximum, disable and re-enable speaker icon. Microphone boost to plus 10 dB. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, click Apply, click OK. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.